Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a one scenario based question which has been asked recently in the Genpact. Okay, so the scenario will be, so they used to, like, they have shared a sample data set, okay, with some of the entries into it. So we just have to find the count, distinct count, and distinct count no blank, and as well as the count rows as well. So what could be the outcomes from that? Okay, so let me show you the data what they have been shared. Okay, so if you can see here, this is the sample table. Okay, like here we can see the name, we can see the id, we can see the amount of it. So based on that, so we just need to find out what could be the count of ids, what could be the distinct count of ids, what could be the distinct count no blank of ids, and what could be the count rows of that. Okay, so what could be the outcomes of it? So you guys just take a guess. Okay, so based on that, I'll just go through the simulation, like how is it going to work and how it could be the outcome for each and every. So first of all, let's jump into the count, as I've been already created the outcome. I've been already created it. So for the count, this is a measure. I hope you can able to recreate the same things in your side. See the count of customer ID. Okay, so in a very easier understanding context, if you can see, here in the id, so we can see the blank, and we can see the account ids, a01, 02. This could be a duplicate, this could be another duplicate. So the a06 and a09, so these are the values which has been already populated in the ids. So what could be the outcome for the count rows, distinct count, and distinct count no blank? Okay, so based on all those things, let's try to do a simulation, and let's see what could be the outcome for it. Okay, first of all, let's see, like, first of all, as we already know that this is like count of id. So in a very basic and easy understanding context, count is not going to capture the blanks. Okay, just think about it. If we have uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so we have 9 entries. Okay, out of that, one is a blank. Okay, what count is going to do is, it could eliminate the blank. Remaining things, doesn't matter whatever the duplicate it is. Okay, it's going to count everything except the blank. That could be the outcome for the count. Let's drag and use this as a measure here. Let's see here. Count of IDs are 8. Why? Because if you can eliminate the blanks, remaining things, if you can see here, from A01 to A09. Okay, here it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 entries exist without a blank. That could be the outcome of the count. And what could be the distinct count? Okay, let me show you the measure first, and then we can see how it could be the outcome for it. So I'm not using any bigger context. I'm just trying to use a very simple commands here. So distinct count of customer ID. Okay, in the distinct count, it would calculate, or it would capture the distinct elements, which includes the blanks as well. Okay, if you can see here, first entry is a blank. So in the distinct count, it would also consider distinct, like blank is also one distinct element. Okay, on top of it, what else? This is one, blank is a one, and this is two, this is three. Okay, we need a distinct, right? So let's consider a04 as a one. Okay, this could be 4, and this a05 will be 6, and this could be 7. Sorry, this could be 5, this could be 6, this could be 7. Okay, let's add that distinct count here. If you can see here, that could be the distinct count. So distinct count, it's going to be calculated the distinct elements plus the blank as well. Okay, that could be the outcome for the distinct count. And now let's see what could be the outcome for the distinct count no blank. Okay, so as we know the distinct count already, it's going to eliminate the blank. Okay, distinct count is a combination of distinct elements plus a blank as well. But distinct count no blank is going to eliminate the distinct, like eliminate the blanks, and going to show the distinct count only. Okay, let's bring that into the context. So if you can see here, there is no, like, not a bigger context, just a very simple command line which we have used. Distinct count no blank of customer ID. Okay, here is a customer, specific customer IDs has been exist here. If you can remove the blank, how many distinct elements exist here? This is one, this is two, this is a combination of three, this could be a05 is a 4, again 5, and this could be 6. So the outcome would be the 6. Okay, now what could be the count rows? As we see, all those things are the count elements only. One could be the count, one could be the distinct count, one could be the distinct count, no blank. So what could be the outcome for the count of count rows? Okay, let me show you the count rows. So count rows is taking a specific table as an outcome. Okay, so let's see what could be the outcome for it. So as we know that count rows is going to capture all the rows into it, and finally it's going to give that as an outcome for it. So how many rows exist irrespective of whether it exists or not. So it's going to capture all the elements into it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 rows exist. So it's going to capture the 9 rows into it. Okay, so this is the final simulation, like how we can do and what could be the outcomes for it. So this is like very much important, just because just like how it could be the joinings, like how it could be the left join, right join, inner join, and the full join outcomes in the same manner. Okay, count, what could be the distinct count, what could be the distinct count no blank, what could be the count rows. Okay, so each and every like command gonna gives a different distinct outcome for us. Okay, so based on that we just have to define like what could be needed whenever the requirement comes in. Okay, so that's why this is the one interview question which has been asked recently in the Genpact. Okay, that's what I'm posting here. So yeah, if you like this, just please subscribe. That's it.